Okay, everybody, welcome back. So what I want to do here is we looked at our solution here for 200 rolls of the dice, and this chart kind of looked clunky. And all I wanted to do is just show you that we can actually run this more times, and when you run it more times, you end up getting smoother data. So all I did was I literally copied this 2,000 times, right? And then all the rest of the math was the same. I just had to change a couple of variables. Let me show you how to do this quickly, real quick. Here, I'm going to go ahead and do Command-Shift-Right, and I get that all the way over to 2,000. Holding the Shift button, I'm going to collect that. So I now have 2,000 columns and 40-ish rows. I can go Control-C to copy them all. I'm going to do Command right arrow to go all the way to the end again. I'm going to paste. And look at that all of a sudden. And then let me copy this value over real quick. And then all of a sudden went from 2,000 to 4,000 rolls of the dice. But no worries. I'll just put that back. I just want to show how easy it is to copy. So now, just like last time, like the important things to look at are just the charts and the analysis. So here, if we roll it a bunch of times, you can see that the curve is a lot more filled out. The reason it lifts up here is because of this last number. I said, just give me everything over $3 million. And it turns out there's quite a few. If I extended this number out, then this tail would flatten out as well. Okay, another thing that I wanted to say is I did want to look at, remember I said that we had invested $410,000. What is the chance that we lose money in the deal? The probability of losing money, for instance, in this scenario here is 3.9%. So roughly 4% of the time, you're going to lose money. The other thing also is that when we do 2,000 simulations, the numbers don't bounce around as much. They still bounce, but you see that this shape holds a lot more constant here than if you're doing this here. But interestingly enough, it's not a huge meaningful difference, right? Here, okay, I guess on this example here, I'm 450,000. Here, I'm at 550,000. So anyway, this is why more is better in the world of simulation. But just want to show you, like the Monte Carlo part is you just rolled the dice, right? You rolled the dice, you looked up a number, you did a math equation, and then you plotted, and all of a sudden you got these really nice curves. And that is it. That's all there is to this. I'm going to post all of this. Please feel free to ask me if you have questions. Hopefully this was clear and not too boring. And good luck, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye.